A smoke bomb produces a thick cloud of billowing smoke that disperses in about 60 to 90 seconds. Such bombs obviously have military and law enforcement applications, but they can also be used to add visual impact to celebrations, ceremonies, videos, and photographs. They're also sometimes used by demonstrators. Why? To stir up passion. The effect is more dramatic when the smoke is colored. So, how do these things work? Let's start with a story about gummy bears. Classic chemical demonstration involves heating a bit of potassium chlorate in a test tube until it melts and then dropping in a gummy bear, which is essentially sugar. Heating potassium chlorate causes it to decompose into potassium chloride and oxygen. The heat also ignites the sugar, which then begins to burn ferociously thanks to the copious amounts of oxygen that are now present. Flame and smoke shoot out of the test tube. Smoke is essentially made up of fine particles that are opaque to light and are suspended in the air. In the case of the burning gummy bear, those particles are potassium chloride and unburned bits of gummy bear. A smoke bomb features the same chemistry, but instead of a gummy bear, pure sugar is used. A cardboard cube is packed with a mixture of sugar and potassium chlorate and is fitted with a pull wire igniter. This is a simple device that creates friction and a spark, and the wire is pulled very much like what happens when you strike a match against the side of a matchbox. The wire has a bit of black powder on it, and it catches fire and then ignites the sugar-potassium chlorate mixture. Sodium bicarbonate in the mix absorbs some of the heat and prevents the reaction from becoming too vigorous. To produce colored smoke, powdered organic dyes, the same ones used in fabrics such as indigo or various anthraquinones, are added to the mix. The heat of combustion turns these into a vapor, and when that vapor hits the cooler air, it condenses into tiny colored particles. Combustion of the sugar yields a large amount of carbon dioxide and water vapor, and these help disperse the dye particles. It's all very impressive. Obviously, inhaling the smoke is not a good thing, and it should be remembered that when you ignite a smoke bomb, you're igniting a mini rocket engine, and you're playing with fire. You can get burned. That for today is our Cup of Joe.